The HAAS Traction 8 cable winch 3-point winch supports a wide variety of machines for uphill and downhill driving on steep and rough terrain. It is powerful, easy and safe to use and increases the efficiency of your operation. The HAAS 3-point winch is mounted on agricultural tractors and is ready to use in no time. The tractor is placed in a location where the integrated bracing spur can be pushed into the ground for stability of the tractor. The 3-point winch can be tilted up and down. Contact of the cable with the ground is low due to the high cable entry. As a safety system, a safety line is inserted from the winch into the ground. If the winch changes its original position and loses contact with the line, it switches off immediately. A quick check of the generously dimensioned interior and the work can begin. By default, the winch is equipped with 300 meters of cable, more available on request. Hard-to-drive paths are easy to drive thanks to the 3-point winch and are protected by the cable support and do not require extensive refurbishment afterwards. What comes up must also down again. Of course, the HAAS 3-point winch also makes their service when lowering heavy vehicles. The winch is operated via a radio remote control. This can be placed in the towing vehicle. It includes all functions such as cable eject and retract, 9-stage tension and braking force adjustment or the hydraulic tilt movement of the winch, the bracing spur and the antenna height adjustment. The performance of the winch is particularly evident on steep terrain. In winch operation, the HAAS 3-point winch delivers a hefty 9 tons of traction. The winch can be easily operated with pulley. Then another machine is simply used to which a pulley is attached. The pulling force can thus increase up to 18 tons. The HAAS Traction 8 cable winch 3-point winch makes work easier and saves money. Weather-independent working brings more efficiency to the operation. The tractor with winch can be implemented quickly and cost-efficiently from site to site.